Imagine a creature that's been around since before dinosaurs. Yet, most people have never seen it up close. It's not a fish, not a mammal, and definitely not a plant. It's a jellyfish. With its gelatinous body and pulsing dough, it looks more like a living sculpture than an animal. But beneath its alien beauty lies a deadly secret. This creature has mastered survival in the most extreme environments, from the depths of the ocean to the surface where sunlight meets water. But its greatest weapon isn't just its stings. It's the very material it's made of. A substance that's both flexible and deadly, both for defense and survival. This is the jellyfish jelly-like jelly defense mechanism, a fascinating scientific marvel that has kept it alive for millions of years. So what exactly are we talking about? We're diving into the jellyfish's remarkable jelly-like defense mechanism, a key part of their survival strategy. This isn't just any goo, it's a biological marvel. This jelly-like substance is called the muciglia, a gelatinous matrix that makes up most of the jellyfish's body. It's not just for structure, it's a dynamic part of their defense system. But it's not just about capturing prey. This jelly-like substance also helps them float, move, and even evade predators by making them nearly invisible in the water. So when we talk about the jellyfish's jelly-like defense mechanism, we're really talking about a sophisticated, evolved system that plays a crucial role in their survival. Jellyfish aren't just pretty, glowing sea creatures. They're part of a delicate marine ecosystem that helps maintain balance in the ocean. Understanding their defense mechanism gives us clues about how life adapts in the harshest environments. Their stinging cells are so advanced, they've inspired bioengineers to develop new ways of creating painless needles and even medical adhesives. Nature's designs are often better than anything we can create. Even though they're ancient and simple, jellyfish have a lot to teach us. They remind us that evolution doesn't always mean complexity. It can mean efficiency and adaptability. So, the next time you see a jellyfish, remember, it's not just a curiosity. It's a marvel of biology, a silent guardian of the ocean, and a key to understanding life on Earth. Millions of years ago, jellyfish evolved in the warm, sunlit shallows of ancient oceans. Their gelatinous bodies became a perfect adaptation for survival, balancing fragility with defense. Fossil records suggest they existed for over 500 million years, thriving in both shallow and deep waters. Their jelly-like structure allowed them to float effortlessly through the sea. Throughout evolution, their defense mechanism, the cnidocytes, became more refined. These tiny stinging cells were a key innovation, allowing them to hunt and protect themselves. Even as other marine creatures evolved, jellyfish remained resilient. Their simple yet effective design allowed them to outlive complex competitors in the deep sea. From the Cambrian explosion to today, jellyfish have stood the test of time. Their jelly-like defense is a marvel of evolution. Ancient, efficient, and still thriving. Imagine a jellyfish with a super strong, invisible shield made of goo. That's what we're talking about. It's jelly-like defense. This shield isn't just sticky. It's also super strong. It helps the jellyfish protect itself from bigger animals in the ocean. The shield is made of a special kind of jelly that's both soft and tough. It's like a superhero's skin, but made of water and chemicals. This jelly-like shield helps the jellyfish float, move, and even sting its prey. It's not just for protection, it's for everything. So, even though jellyfish look soft and squishy, they have a powerful, invisible armor that helps them survive in the ocean. To understand how jellyfish defend themselves, we first need to look at their anatomy. Their body is a gelatinous sac, filled with a special fluid called muciglia, which gives them their unique, almost alien-like structure. This muciglia isn't just a passive structure. It's a key part of their defense. It's lightweight, yet strong, and allows them to float effortlessly through the water, almost like a living balloon. Beneath this gelatinous exterior lies a complex network of nerves and muscles. These are the jellyfish's control systems, allowing them to move, react, and even sense danger in their environment. But for their defense mechanism to work, the jellyfish must be in the right place at the right time. They rely on currents and their own movements to encounter prey or potential threats. This setup is crucial, because it sets the stage for the next step, their response. The way they're positioned and moving determines how their defense will unfold in the coming moments. Once the jellyfish detects prey, it begins the second step of its defense mechanism, releasing a cloud of stinging cells called nematocysts. These cells are hidden in the tentacles and are triggered by the slightest touch. When the nematocysts sense movement or chemical signals from prey, they rapidly fire, shooting out venom-filled threads that latch onto the target. This is an incredibly fast reaction, happening in a fraction of a second. The venom works quickly, often within seconds, causing the prey to lose movement and become immobilized. This ensures that the jellyfish can then use its tentacles to pull the prey closer for consumption. The process is not only efficient, but also highly specialized, with each nematocyst acting like a tiny biological weapon. This makes the jellyfish one of the most effective predators in the ocean. This second step in the jellyfish defense mechanism is a perfect example of evolution at work. Speed, precision, and lethality combined into one remarkable natural process. Once the nematocist fires, the jellyfish has a clever trick up its sleeve. The venom isn't just a weapon, it's also a tool for trapping prey in place. The venom contains proteins that act like molecular Velcro, latching onto the prey's surface and preventing it from escaping or moving away. This clever twist ensures the prey can escape, giving the jellyfish time to use other strategies, like paralyzing the prey or pulling it into its oral cavity. It's like the jellyfish is not just striking, but also locking the door behind it, ensuring the prey can't get away once it's inside. This three-part process, attack, venom injection, and trapping, is what makes jellyfish such effective hunters in the ocean's vast, open waters. The jellyfish's defense mechanism is powered by a complex biochemical process that begins with the release of a toxin into the water. This toxin is produced by specialized cells called cnidocytes, which are packed with tiny, harpoon-like structures called nematocysts. When triggered, these nematocysts fire almost instantaneously, injecting venom into the prey or predator. This rapid response is made possible by a unique pressure system that builds up inside the nematocyst. This process is highly efficient and energy-conserving. The jellyfish doesn't waste energy on unnecessary attacks. It only releases venom when it detects the right chemical signals in the water. Even in the most primitive forms, the jellyfish has mastered a level of biological precision that rivals modern technology. This is not just a reflex. It's a finely tuned survival strategy. Imagine a city where every building is made of glass, and the glass is filled with a gelatinous, ever-moving substance. That's the jellyfish in a way. A living, pulsing, transparent body filled with a defense mechanism that's both beautiful and brutal. This jellyfish isn't just a passive creature. It's like a living cannon, firing tiny harpoons at the slightest provocation. These stinging cells are everywhere, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The jellyfish defense is dumb in the best way. It just doesn't think. It just reacts. No brains, no plans, just a reflex that's efficient, powerful, and sometimes deadly. This simplicity is what makes the jellyfish's defense so effective. It's not about strategy. It's about survival through repetition and instinct. In a world where complexity is often praised, the jellyfish reminds us that sometimes the simplest systems are the most powerful, especially when they're built for survival. Before you go, if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And tell us in the comments what you'd like us to make next. We read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you made it to the end.